Guys, and welcome back. And in front behind me we have a different aquarium, so it looks kind of similar with the old one, but it's not. So this is the new project that I've been working on, and I will be getting to a whole bunch of more details like that. But just so you guys do know, this is a 250-gallon aquarium that is going to be in my living room, replacing the other one that I have back there with my stingrays. As you can see, the size difference is pretty impressionable. Look at that. But anywho, it is gorgeous. I've got this one on Facebook Marketplace. Let's get a better look. Right now, the background is a little bit of a mess because building this wasn't the easiest. This is my old 125-gallon stand. I customized it to make it work for this aquarium. But in here we have all the plumbing, which I will go over step by step on how I've done it, and the filtration. But just wanted to get you guys in the loop. I have some biomedia in there, which I bought more already. Just making video on that as we speak. I have the filter catcher, whatever you want to call it. I have two of them. The other one is still not. I didn't put it in yet. But I have 3 goldfish that I had in here before. I had another aquarium before to get the bio load going. I mean, these guys will do nothing, and really, but this is all old medium, so I grabbed from this aquarium. That's why it's so cloudy right now. But yeah, we're working on this new big tank. This is going to be my stingray tank. Show you what happened there. This is preemptively. I don't know if I really needed to do that, but I did it just in case. Anywho, I did the whole plumbing and everything by myself. I'd get better videos on it later. I don't have a lid for it yet, so I haven't included any fish that could possibly jump out. But I'm really proud of it, to be honest. I got this sump for free a long time ago. It's a pretty big sump too. It actually had a little crack on it, and what I did was add a piece of glass and cover all the corners to make sure that it wouldn't stop leaking. Anywho, so now we'll finally put in some of the biomedia in there, let it catch up, let it get all nice and dirty, and we'll see what we do future-wise after that. But after this gets a little bit more bio load, I'm going to be adding slowly the fish. The first fish that are going to be going in here would be discus, and then probably my catfish, and then the datnoid, and then the ghost knife fish, and then my stingrays. They'll be going in here last because I want to get before putting my stingrays, I want to get the substrate all well inside. I'm doing sand again, by the way, guys, so stay tuned for that. So here is the full tank in all its glory. Right now, it's got some beneficial bacteria in the bottom growing. Gonna be throwing a lot more in there. We're gonna get some sponges, etc., all this fun stuff in the tank. But yeah, that's basically where we are right now in the project of it having a new aquarium, which I am super appreciative of that I got it for. I think this total build cost me so far $300 for the tank. Cost me also another, maybe let's say 50 to 60 bucks for the plumbing, PVC pipes and all that. I had the cutters and everything, so I didn't have to buy much. Definitely did cool with the piping. But yeah, between the PVC, the glue, and the silicone, I think 60 bucks. So all in $360 plus another $40 for plywood to add to the height and make sure I'm getting all 4 corners covered. So definitely about $400 all in so far. This tank was used, got it on Facebook Marketplace. But thank you guys anyway. Super excited. Stay tuned for more videos like this about this aquarium, because we've got a whole bunch. We got to put this core, we got to put it in substrate, we got to put in lights, we got to put in lids, all this fun stuff. If you made it all the way to the end of the videos, I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos just like this, because we're going to be doing many more videos on this tank. Trust me. Stay tuned for that. You don't want to miss it. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Why don't you check us out on TikTok and Instagram? We post daily there.